Good day everyone. Today is this beautiful sunny day. We have this KAESER Air Center SM12 edition with integrated air receiver or over 270 liters and integrated air dryer. It's with echo drain device. This is 7.5 kilowatt screw air compressor with up to 11.5 bars. So let's start the compressor now. The air dryer started. And now the compressor started. So let's see how it builds pressure up to 11 bars. This is a great piece of machinery. It's built in 2009, but let's check the odometer to see. Check this out. It's only 4,000 hours on odometer and only 2,733 hours on the load. And this machine is serviced recently. According to this, the set point pressure, the maximum pressure is 11.4 bars, and the setup pressure is 11.2. It's 4.6 bars currently in the system. We have on purpose removed the hatch cover for this compressor, so you guys can see that everything is in order. This compressor is like brand new. This is refrigerator filter. This is the echo drain device. Let's test it to see how it all is work. Test went fine. Down there you have a KAESER 0.03 microns free filter. This is a filter between air receiver and air dryer. Really important stuff. So this machine is built for really good, clean and quality air. As I said, this is Air Center edition with integrated air receiver and integrated air dryer with only 4,000 hours. It's a wonderful, wonderful piece of machinery. Let's see the pressure. It's 10.3, 10.4. Building pressure really good. So that was it. It's 11 bars in the system. Compressor is cooling down now. All the switches and electronics seems perfectly in order. Nothing's being touched. This is almost brand new compressor. So runs really, really good. Okay, I will shut it down now. Yeah. So let's check out inside of the machine. It's pretty neat and clear. No detected oil leaks for this 4,000 hours. All services are done regularly. This is first service since buying this compressor, which is pretty amazing. This is a great item and don't miss it. Have a nice day and good luck on your bids.